Let me turn on to our next story. The Russian President Vladimir Putin is in India today for the 21st India-Russia Annual Summit. Prime Minister Modi welcomed Mr. Putin at bilateral talks that were held in Hyderabad House, the first face-to-face meeting between the two leaders after their meeting on the sidelines of the BRICS summit. Both leaders raising concern against terrorism and vowed to combat it together. Listen in to what they said.
पिछले कई दशकों में वैश्विक स्तर पर कई फंडामेंटल बदलाव आए, कई तरह के जियोपॉलिटिकल समीकरण उभरे, किंतु इन सभी वेरिएबल्स के बीच भारत रूस मित्रता एक कांस्टेंट रही है। दोनों देशों ने न सिर्फ एक दूसरे के साथ निसंकोच सहयोग किया है, एक दूसरे की सेंसिटिविटीज का भी विशेष ख्याल रखा है। यह सचमुच इंटरस्टेट दोस्ती का एक यूनिक और विश्वस्त मॉडल है।
Naturally, we are concerned about everything that has to do with terrorism.
И борьбой с ним, даже как с наркотиками, с организованной преступностью.
I mean the fight against terrorism, also fighting drug trafficking and organized crime.
В этой связи, конечно, нас не может не беспокоить ситуация и то, как она развивается в Афганистане.
And with that regard, naturally, we are concerned about the developments of the situation in Afghanistan.
Let's go straight across to Geeta Mohan for a quick update on this visit. Geeta, what's the biggest takeaway from this visit between two leaders who seem to share a rather good chemistry?
Well, that's right, Rajdeep. It's the defense front that really was the biggest takeaway when it comes to the kind of agreements that have been signed. The 10-year defense pact between the two countries have been renewed. We've seen AK-203 agreements to co-produce in Amethi. So there are a lot of developments when it comes to the agreements. 28 agreements in total, although the logistical support agreement, which many were speculating would be signed this time, has not been signed. Foreign Secretary Harsh Shringla said that it could not be concluded this time, but will certainly be concluded at the earliest. Space exploration, science and technology, the way forward to increase trade and investment, all these aspects were covered, and they're part of many agreements that have been signed between the governments or between businesses, Rajdeep. So an important visit, a very short, tightly packed visit for President Putin, but the 2+2 was the first. It was the inaugural 2+2 meeting and the Intergovernmental Commission on Military and Technology Cooperation. So in all, a very substantive visit of the Russian side to India.
Well, that's one of the relationships that endures through all the highs and lows that Indian relations go with other countries. Geeta Mohan, thanks very much for joining me there at this moment.